Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss RDOE worksheet 39 from your chapter Carbon and its compound. And today we will discuss about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay. First of all, we must know that hydrocarbons are the molecules contain hydrogen as well as carbon atom that are bonded each other and may or may not contain any other atom like oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, etc. These hydrocarbons are classified into two categories: saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, means what? Hydrocarbons are made up of carbon and hydrogen, and other atoms like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. may be or may not be the part of that hydrocarbon, right? And they are characterized as saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. What are saturated hydrocarbons? Saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons in which carbon atom shared single bond, means hydrogen in which all saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons in which all hydrogen and carbon atoms are bonded all together with a single bond, right? Whereas unsaturated hydrocarbon, all carbon atom are bonded together either with double bond, not all, in which the double bond or triple bond is present between the carbon atom, right? Carbon and carbon atom. So unsaturated hydrocarbons in which carbon, the double bond and triple bond is present between the carbon and carbon atom, these are called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. The formula of saturated hydrocarbon is this general formula: CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula of alkane, right? Alkane is the example of saturated hydrocarbon, whereas alkene and alkyne are the general formula, are the example of unsaturated hydrocarbon, and they have general formula CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2. These are the general formula of alkyne and alkene. Okay. Next, we have examples like alkane. We have methane, ethane, propane, as well as if I talk about alkene, then alkene I have ethene, propene, and alkyne I have ethyne and propyne. And these are electronic dot structure of methane, ethane, ethene, and ethyne. See how we will prepare this structure of methane. See, this is, I have one carbon. As I told you, the atomic number of carbon is 6, then 2 and 4, and outermost electronic configuration is 4 electrons are free to make a bond. So we have this hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. So here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here hydrogen, and this is hydrogen. And how this carbon satisfied valency? Like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the structure of your methane. Now we will draw the structure of ethane. See, in ethane we have 2 carbon: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we should not, take like this. See, we have 2 carbons: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and for that we'll have to put hydrogen. See, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 2, right? Now this is the way I can draw this. Okay, so see, this is the structure of ethane. Next, ethene. In ethene we have double bond. So first of all we have to take two electron. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, then draw hydrogen. See, 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. Now just we will satisfy the valency of this carbon. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In this case, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the way we can draw the structure of your ethene. Next, ethyne, if we would like to draw, then in ethyne we have triple bond. We have already discussed ethyne we have triple bond, and alkene we have double bond, right? So take because ethyne contain two carbon atom, then we have these two. For triple bond we have three and one electron here. Three, one electron here. Then we have this one. So like this. Okay, so this is the way we can draw the structure of your ethyne. Okay, you can learn this series easily. I'll tell you how. See, if you take the example, let's make it in a tabular form: saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, whereas this example of saturated is alkane, and it is divided into two: alkene and alkyne, right? So let's take general formula CnH2n plus 2, and here we have general formula for alkene is CnH2n. General formula for alkene CnH2n minus 2. And as I told you, you have to take the carbon. One carbon compound is called as meth, 2 eth, 3 prop, and likewise 4 but, 5 pen, 6 hex, like this, right? We'll take the example of these three only. uh, See, if I put the one carbon, then we have 1 2 into 1 plus 2, then C1, 2 ones are 2 or 2 4, C4. So this is the formula of meth plus ane. We should add the suffix ane, then it is called as methane. Take the second example where we have to take 2 carbon, put the value of 2 carbon here: 2 into 2 into 2 plus 2, C2 H2 to the 4 or 2 6, C2 H6. This is an example of ethane. So likewise you can put the value of 3 carbon and all, and you have to add ane. Likewise it will become the series of that alkane. Next we will take example of alkene. Student, as I told you, we have to draw the double bond between carbon atom. If I take one carbon, then how I can draw this double bond? So in this case, the series start from two carbon atom, not with one, right? So see, I'll take 2 carbon, okay, and 2 into 2. The formula is C2H4. This is called ethene. And if I take 3 carbon, then C3H2 into 3, H3 C3H6. This is propene. Likewise, if I take the number of carbon 4, C4H, put the value of 4 in this, 2 into N4, then we'll have C4H8. This is called as butene. Okay. Now take the example of alkyne. Alkyne we have C. Again, we have to draw. In this case we have double bond, in this case we have single bond, in this case we have triple bond. So in alkyne we have to draw a triple bond between carbon and carbon atom, and it is how it can be possible with a single atom. So it is also start with two carbon atom. Okay. So first of all we take two carbon atom, example of two carbon atom, and put the value of 2, n is equal to 2 over here. Then C2 H2 into 2 minus 2, then C2 H4 minus 2, 2. Next, if I take the 3 carbon atom, then 3 2 into 3 minus 2, then C3 H2 3 the 6 minus 2, 4. Next next I take the example of 4 if, then 2 into 4 minus 2, that is C4H4, like this. Sorry, H 8O2 6. Likewise, we can make the homologous series and name the compound, like this is ethyne, this is propyne, because we are talking about alkyne, and this is butane. Okay, I hope you understand it. C. Then we have a chain carbon. Then we have this chain carbon, branch structure, chain structure, branch structure, and ring structure. Let's do this. If I talk the chain structure means if I draw these are the chain structures. These are chain structure. There are the carbon compound methane, ethane, propane containing respectively 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Such chain of carbon atom contain many more carbon atom, and these are called chain structures. See, if I take the example of say butane. Okay, in butane we have 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen, then its chain structure we can draw like this: 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and put the value of hydrogen. This is the chain structure of carbon. Then it can be right, they see this 1 2 3 4 C4 H10. Okay. Next, branch structure. Okay, I'll take the example of this butane itself. Branch structure means we have to change the arrangement of carbon atom. See, if I take this carbon atom like this 1 2 3 and 4, so 1 2 3 4 1, see 1 2 3 4, this carbon atoms its valency is satisfied, whereas this 1 2 3 4, in this case 1 2 3 4, in this case 1 2 3 and 4. So, and put the hydrogen over here. So this is the structure, branch structure, and in many ways you can draw this. See, A1 2 1 2 3, you can draw. Oh, okay, this is the same. Okay, you can draw like this: 1 2. We can draw it like this: 3 and oh sorry. See, if I draw this like 1 1 2 and 3, so this is also 1 2 and 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and here we have 1 2 3 and 4. So count the hydrogen. See, carbon is 4 and you have to put this hydrogen over here. So in this case we have carbon 4, hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. See, the number of hydrogen and carbon remains the same. In this case, this is known as branch structure. And one term called isomer is also related to this branch structure. where we can say such compound with identical formula, molecular formula, but different structure formula. As I told you, this is one structure, this branch is chain is one structure, and this branch is another structure. So this kind of different structures we have is known as isomers. Okay. Next, ring structure. In ring structure, we have different arrangement, but in the form of ring. See, if I take the example of cyclopentane, and they are called as cyclo. If I take the example of cyclopentane, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, and then I have to satisfy the valency of hydrogen. See, carbon 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, so hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So everywhere I have to put hydrogen like this. This is the structure of cyclopentane. Likewise, you can draw the structure of cyclohexane, which they have drawn for you. See, carbon, 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 and carbon. Then you have to put hydrogen. See, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. This is the complete structure of your cyclohexane. But if I take this benzene structure, then we have to draw a alternate double bond. See, double bond is here, then leave this, and then here. Then we have to take a hydrogen, number of hydrogen. In this case, number of hydrogen is half, that is remain the same as carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why it is so? See this, the valency of carbon. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, and 4. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, and 4. And likewise, this structure becomes C6H6, and this is called as benzene. See, you can see over here, this is the structure of benzene, right? So, and here you can see your this is, we have a kind of homologous series of alkane, and there are the carbon compound methane, ethane, propane containing respectively, as I told you, 1 carbon atom methane, 2 is ethane, 3 is propane carbon atom. Such chain of carbon atom contain many more carbon atoms. So they have given you the example of each. This is called as structure formula, this is called as molecular formula. Keep in mind and remember it. So next we have, this is isomer. As I told you, isomer have the same identical molecular formula but different structure formula. This is chain, this is branch structure. Okay, and you can draw this branch structure in another way also. See, 1, 2, 3, 3, and we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if I take, you have no need to draw this. Okay, so here we have hydrogen, right? This is the way, this is the third structure of your this butane. Okay, so, and as I discussed with you, here we have this cyclone, here we have the cyclo ring structures. You can say this, some compound have carbon atom arranged in the form of ring, and this is called as cyclohexane, and your structure of unsaturated, very important structure of benzene. Okay. Then we have some functional groups like functional group in hydrocarbon chain. One or more hydrogen atom can be replaced by the halogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and such that the valency of carbon atom remains satisfied by replacing the heteroatoms, and the group containing these confer the specific properties regardless of the length and the nature of the carbon chain, hence called as functional group. These are the important functional groups as they have shown you in this table. These are important functional groups, right? See, these are called halogens. These are called halogens, right? And oxygen, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid. Alcohol we have OH, aldehyde we have CHO, this is ketone, and this is acid, right? So if they attach to the particular group or particular series, the characteristics of that series has changed. So this is all about today's worksheet, and let's do the practice exercise. First of all, you have to draw the electronic dot structure and bond structure of pentane and propene. See, for pentane you have 5 carbon atom, right? So first of all, we will draw it's put the hydrogen everywhere just to satisfy. Beta is single, this is a single bond. Okay, so we have carbon 5, and count the hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12. This is the molecular formula, this is the structure formula, and let's draw electronic dot structure. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, and just put the hydrogen. See, we have this, likewise. Okay, then you have to satisfy the valency of this carbon here, here, so beta is difficult for me to because if it is blackboard, then it will be easier for, I think, each and every teacher to draw this. So this is the way you can draw this structure of electronic dot structure of pentane. Next we have to draw the structure of propene. See, propene we have double bond. In case of propene we have double bond because it is in double bond, and prop we have 3 carbon atom. Let's do the take the double bond over here. Then we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4. So put hydrogen everywhere. So we'll have C3H 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. This is a molecular formula, this is structure formula, and let's draw the electronic dot structure of propene. See, 1 2 3, and we have taken double bond over here. 1 2 3 4, 1 1 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and let's draw hydrogen. Okay, just see, these are the, this is how hydrogen satisfies its valency, and now just satisfy the valency of carbon. Okay, for this carbon we have, and for this carbon we have like this. So this is the structure of pentene, oh sorry, propene. This is the structure of electronic dot structure of propene. Okay, so students, let's move to our practices. Draw the electronic dot structure of the ethane. You can draw it from here. This is the structure of ethane. Okay, and how many bonds are necessary between the two carbon atom in order to satisfy their valency? See, students, if we take uh, single bond, always keep in mind, in case of ethane, ethane means alkane, how many bonds are necessary between the two carbon atom in order to satisfy? Then we must say the single bond is necessary between the two carbon atom, means single bond. Okay, and you can draw the structure from here. This is the answer of second question. Next question we have, write the molecular formula of cyclopentane. Cyclopentane molecular formula we have C5H10, and you can draw the cyclopentane like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just put one hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. This is the structure formula of your cyclopentane. Okay, then the molecular formula I told you, cyclopentane, draw its bond structure. Then next question we have, difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Beta, I told you in a tabular form you can write all these, and you can write from this also, and write the functional group. What is functional group? You can draw, means functional group are those in hydrocarbon chain one or more hydrogen can replace the hydrogen with halogen. These are called halogen. Chlorine, iodine, bromine, and fluorine. If they replace hydrogen and attach with the hydrocarbon chain, then these are called as halogens. Even oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur such valence such that they can attach to these carbon atoms such that the valency of carbon remains satisfied. These replacing heteroatoms in the group containing these confer specific properties, but if they attach to a particular hydrocarbon chain, then their properties are changed. They have the specific characteristics properties, and these are called as functional groups. Okay, so this is we have all about today's worksheet. I hope you understand it. So do like video, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you students. Take care. God bless you.